What's up, YouTube? Nah. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Ronnie, CEO of Vending Snackz LLC, and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be changing out a control board, which is right here, and I'm going to be switching out a new one with my old one because my credit card reader stopped working. So I've never did this before, so we're gonna be working on all of this together. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you completely turn your machine off, because I believe if you touch it with metal or something, you're gonna get electrocuted. You don't want that to happen, okay? So we cut the machine off. Then we're gonna take off the screws at the top. Apparently, you were actually supposed to take the wires off first. So let's go ahead and unplug the wires and this one's a little tough right here. Okay, so I unplugged the cord. Let's show you guys how it's looking. Okay, so I got the plate off. Okay, so now I need to unscrew the rest of the screws in the inside. There's about, what I can see, it's like in the 4 corners and then 2 in the inside. And when I say 2 in the inside, I mean 2 in the middle. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna take this bad boy off. I don't know why I was so nervous taking that off just now. Okay, so here's my new baby right here. Okay, let me get the new one out. Okay, and I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna stop this because I don't want to lose this footage, and I feel like my phone's just about to start acting up. Okay, so here's my new one. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws in. Okay, so I got the nails put in here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the machine now. Okay, I lost the screws, so I gotta find it real quick. Found it. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and put the metal piece back on. There we go. I put it on wrong the first time. Okay, so that's nice and secure. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wires back on, connect everything. I'm gonna close my door so it can configure by the time I turn my machine back on, and we'll see if the credit card reader is working. I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, I feel like I'm missing something, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at a picture real fast and we'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I actually did that the correct way the first time, okay? If you got any type of questions, I'm gonna be here. We're gonna fix them together. Okay, so let's close the door and let's see if this works. Oh my goodness. Yeah, ring light done went all crazy. Okay, let me go grab my credit card. Okay, so I got my credit card. So let's try. I think I might be feeling the Takis. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think that I should get. Or you know what? Comment down below what you would have got. Okay, take about 3 seconds to comment down below what you would get. Okay. Hold on, I know you lying. Hold on. Oh, well, apparently. So now I have to go through this whole machine and price everything. And so, wait 1 second while I price everything really quickly. Okay, so that took a real long time. So that took like an hour really. I kept messing up and everything. So let's see if the credit card reader worked now. I'm about to try the Takis. My Takis is on row 114. So let's see if it works. Okay, so it says please tap phone or swipe card. Okay, so 114. No. Alright, so it's still saying bad swipe. So my next video, you can see me putting on a new credit card reader to my machine since this did not work. But thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Like, comment, share, leave comments down below on what you want to see from me. And thank you so much for watching me change out my control board. Make sure you subscribe to Vending Snackz LLC, and I'll see you next time.